Bethany Kelly here. Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the commenting tools to mark up your PDF copy. So first of all, you want to make sure that you are opening the PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. So Adobe Acrobat has a paid version, but they also have a free reader. And this reader will open all PDF files and you'll be able to comment in them. And you can get to that by going to get-to-adobe.com reader. So here's the thing. If you have a Mac and you click on an Adobe and you click on a PDF in a Mac, it will often open it up in a previewer. And so if you don't see all of these little tools around that we're seeing on the screen here and you have a Mac, chances are that you have opened your PDF file in the previewer. In that case, save out the attachment to your computer and then open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader. So I'm using my book here, 52 Tips, Become a Successful Published Author, to show you here. This book is available. You can buy it on Amazon. The most important tool that you're going to be using is this one, the little bubble tool, the sticky note. The sticky note and the highlight tool. So let's go to a page where we have some text. And let's assume that we want to make a change. Now there's two different types of changes you can make. The comment tool is really good to use if you want to make overall design changes. So say I might click on this sticky note tool and click here. It pops up a little box and you can type in, and maybe I would say, please make this title closer to the top of the page. So that's kind of an overall general one, right? So we can use that there. Now, if you want to actually specifically talk about you want to change a certain word or you want to highlight a certain part, like say, for example, I'm going to highlight this, I love books, which is very true. So I've highlighted it. Now, if you click on it, it also opens a box and you can type in that box. So if you want to say, maybe you want to delete this, you could type in delete, or you could say replace with, and then, I am in love with books. See? So the highlight tool is really great for if you are looking at specific items that you want to change, specific words and so on. And highlighting it will draw the attention exactly to the words or the sentence that you are referring to. So those are the two main tools you're going to use, is the sticky note, add a sticky note, or highlight text. Now I want to show you something that's really cool. If you go over here to where it says comment and you double click on it, it will open up a panel over here to the right. And if you click on this, it will show you, it will highlight immediately the page. This is really useful if, for example, you are here, like we're on page 17, for example. If you click on it, it will actually take you to that page so that you can see exactly where it is. So what I usually recommend people do is that as they're going through their PDF, they make their comments, and using the commenting tool or the highlight tool. And then at the end, open up this and just click through them and make sure that you're happy with all of them. They all sound clear. If somebody was going to implement what you are talking about, it's there. You can also add a reply. So for example, if you've gotten a PDF back and there's comments in the PDF, you can look over here So say the editor is making a suggestion that instead of saying I love books, that you put I am in love with books. Well, you can click in here and add a reply and say agreed. Or you can say actually leave as is. I like it better the way it is, right? And then you click post and bingo, there's a reply to your post, to the existing comment. Now, if you look up here, there are other commenting tools that are more specific, and some of these you will probably see if you've gotten a file back that has comments in it from an editor or from a proofreader. Some of these options are only available with the paid version, and I'm not sure which there are, but there are things like strike through text or replace the text. So say, for example, I could highlight this whole entire sentence here, and we've clicked replace text. So instead of that, I can put in a whole new paragraph here. That would be great if you have that kind of functionality. If you don't worry about it. So any comment that you make using whatever tool, whether it's the very easy to use sticky note or the highlight text or any other strike through text, add note to replace text, insert text at cursor, they are all going to show up here. So if you get a PDF and you have, and there's 25 comments that you need to review, you want to open this little box here. You want to click on the comment tool over here on the right, which will open this panel, and then you can just go through each one, click on it, and check. If you like it, if you want the change made, leave it there. If you don't want the change made, then you can make a reply. So I hope that has helped and has given you a bit of an idea of how to deal with commenting tools on the PDF file. Bye for now.